Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a REALME Narzo 60 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this section we have to scroll to find sound and vibration. Now let's scroll down to find this ringtone section, and let's tap on the first option, which is responsible for the ringtone for incoming calls. After tapping on it, we will be transferred to the full list of pre-installed ringtones from which we can choose. At the top we've got also the on this device option, so it means that if you've got anything, for example, downloaded or recorded, you will be able to pick it and set it as a ringtone. But let me pick something from those options, and basically if you want to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, simply tap on it and you will be able to check whether you like it or not. You can check all of them, and whenever you will decide that you like it and you want to set, simply mark it and then go back. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which simply means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.